Hi, this is Mark at Elsmar, and this little tutorial, so to speak, has to do with filters. Now, right now we're talking about filters, and if you look up here, this is our navigational thing. We're in this form right here. And you can see right here, no prefix, last updates in the last 30 days. Now what these things are filters. And again, you come over here, it's right directly opposite. Filters. You can do a lot of things with filters. So right now, you really see only 3 fact threads. Sort by last message, click that, and it may give you a few things more. Last updated 30 days. And you'll see there's a whole bunch of them. But again, when you come up here to filters, and you see this up here, there are things, and again, right now, what I am in is a forum listing of all the threads in that forum. So, I can use this to sort messages, or sort threads, rather, in this forum by using filters. And if there are no filters, you won't see anything over here. Thank you. Have a good evening.